Great news, great news. Drama in a dancehall. You don't know, say, it never fails. Now, after we wait for Idonia, a massacre clash for the longest, it take for Steph London and Jada forward and mash up the place. Now, we have the new blood, Valiant. Just get the shipment and lyrics and find out, say, the GLE Park run a one part, run a one place. And decide, say, him a go make a walk, brawling. It was said, him even go as far as tell him Andy say, fi shot a next elderly allowed us, which was quite unheard of in this type of war. Like, it was a little shocking, I must say. But remember, it is war, and war is never fear. Lyrical war, I might say. And as usual, welcome to the program. Hope you join the family. Subscribe, turn the notification bell on, drop a comment, smash the like, share. Now, you see, dancehall never fail, never let you down. Dancehall getting more interesting as the days goes by. Just even seeing Queenie chilling with who's supposed to be our lyrical enemy, Amari, taking pictures, hugs. And I'm like, let's get back to the war. Steph London has the championship at the moment. We're still waiting for that Jada song. Until then, it's Valiant and TJ right now. And this is just going left, right. It's just like up our camp and they marching. This is some real soldier stuff right here, partner. Now listen to this. Now remember, say, up top boss just call out such man. Such man. In defense of such man, top shooter, top sniper, roll out, top shooter style, and bust be a shot over up top camp side and say, yo, what you feel, say? No stylings, nah, go on. It was even said some people did done out and then they exposing forward. People are being mixed up. So this is what I want to know. Who's to believe right here? And you know, say when I message forward like that, it make it hard this thing look away. But then again, what tell the truth? Is this a case where I set up an artist, I record the artist and the artist, you know, and then the artist try to clean it up by make a statement and then you know, say, boy, you know, say them have it on record, brethren, and you did really ask his strength and thing. But either ways, it's clash time. And we need to see if Popcaan I go forward in this clash here and put the pride aside and just step in the clash brawling. Because everybody want to see Papi step in the clash right now. That's what's needed right now. That's what's missing from the clash right now. Popcaan. Because it's been just be a such man word showing Valiant come and just change the whole thing. Brawling. Brawling, brawling, brawling. You don't get no more brawling than that. You see? So, if you don't give Valiant no props to nothing else, you have to give him props to that. Real soldier move. So, all pretty done end up in the war right now. So, when you know say the thing no normal. Peer drama after drama after drama with Pretty Dan with this right now, cause Pretty Dan a shell out everybody. When the artist them have to focus on next artist, Pretty Dan a shoot after everybody. So me not see how that one you go turn out normal. You see, there's so much viral stuff happening in Jamaica that it's hard to keep up with so much things. You see, remember, you know, that the blind youth with the bad song around the place, you know, seeing? And all of a sudden, here comes that clash here. You see it? So, it's just constantly be viral moments and be trending things happening. You understand? So with that said, make sure so you smash the like, cause I be hot content we are forward with right now. Yes, now will this lyrical battle end up to a clash on stage? That's what I want to know. And with the song with TJ drop for the answer for Valiant song, see Foot Hype do a review and it's like him say even the bridge of the song boring. Oh man, it's a thing. Music is a thing where you have to have vibe. If you're in a certain spirit and vibe, you now get that delivery, you understand? So, I don't like TJ can do it. But probably that song there, or just that take there at the moment there. I just never hit that. But never to say less or more. We'll wait to see the next one. You see, because we know say Valiant a shoot right now, full clip, full rapid. And we know say up top camp now hold back as well. So it is interesting. It's very interesting. Because remember, you know, TJ been an arc seat, you know, seeing and Valiant. So you hear me? Right now, brawling. Because remember, TJ having project out and this is very good as well because a good promotion at the end of the day. You have your project out and at the same time you have some drama around the thing. Bring some excitement and bring some more attraction to your thing. That's good. You see it? So that can be a real good look for your up top boss and him camp and him movement, you know what I mean? Yeah, it can really turn out in a positive way, which it should be. That's what we are wish for at all time. Positive things, yeah. But other than that, on the entertainment side, we love what I go on. We love what I go on. Just keep up your work. Drop some fire track. That's what I look for. Now, the song with Valiant drop, you see it? Now with the beat, you see, this is the thing, you know, the melody and the rhythm, right? Easily. If a big song there on the rhythm where you rate and you have flow up on the same rhythm, it's easy if you catch back the same flow. And that's what reach Valiant. Enough said about that, but that's exactly what reach the artist. Big up the artist, them. Keep doing anything. I saw Jamaica, this will not bring down nobody. We love what I go on. People big up on yourself. Share the content. Over your shotty, man. Oh.